Hello everyone, welcome to Ashramik Vidyalay. Myself Firdaus Sheikh. So students, in this video we will do the revision of our base of our section B. There are three main questions in our section B. So one by one we will learn about this all. So first question is, underline the nouns in common gender and encircle the noun in neuter gender. So this question you will get on a page number 33. Look at here. Underline the noun in common gender and encircle the noun in neuter gender. जो neuter gender है उस पे हम encircle करेंगे और common gender है वहाँ पे हम underline करेंगे. Okay. So let's start. Ravi gave his pen to his colleague. तो अब इसमें जो है एंड सर्कल किस पे करना है, न्यूटर जेंडर पे. सो पेन इज न्यूटर जेंडर एंड कलीग इज अ कॉमन जेंडर. सो वी कंप्लीट लाइक दिस. सेकेंड सेंटेंस, द असिस्टेंट ओपन द डोर एंड वेलकम द बॉस विथ बुके. सो इन दिस फुल सेंटेंस असिस्टेंट इज अ कॉमन जेंडर, सो वी अंडरलाइन इन असिस्टेंट, एंड डोर बुके इज अ neuter gender, so we encircle on these two words, and boss is also the common gender, so we underline here also. Same, Winnie works at a hospital and very kind to her patient. Patient is a common gender, so we underline there, and hospital is a neuter, so we encircle there. So got it what we doing in this sentence and in this question. The lawyer supported the decision by waving a green flag. So flag is a neuter and lawyer is a common gender. So underline here and encircle here. Please serve the food for the guest. Food is a neuter and guest is a common gender. The bag that the rag picker carried looked suspicious. So rag picker is a common gender and bag is a neuter. Police suspect the man who had to be the mastermind. So police is a common gender and head is a neuter. The reporter reached the accident spot with the camera. So camera is a neuter gender and reporter is a common gender. Next on the page number 34, the girl thanked the florist for giving her fresh flower. So florist is a common gender and flower is a neuter. The astronaut wore a yellow spacesuit. So astronaut is the common gender and spacesuit is a neuter. So students, we complete this question like this. Common on the common gender we underline there, and in the neuter, on the neuter we encircle that on that words. Okay, got it. So now we are going to our next question. Identify the gender of the highlighted noun. State whether they are a common, so write C. Masculine, so write M. Feminine, so write F. Or neuter gender, then write N. Okay. So here you see on the page number 34. My daughter's quite a scholar. If I want to write an essay, she writes it for me. So highlighted word is first is daughter. So daughter is a feminine, so we write F here. Scholar is a common noun and essay is a neuter. So we write like this, FCN. Next, the saleswoman is a feminine noun. Told the boy is a masculine, that the book he wanted was not available. Book is a neuter, so we write here like this. Next, the Duchess called the young girl inside her room. Duchess is the feminine and room is a neuter. The students in my class are cooperative. The students is a common noun and class is a neuter. The chief cooked an excellent meal. So chef is a common noun and here is no any other word, so only one is a common noun, chef. The priest blessed the queen. Priest is a masculine and queen is a feminine. The wizard transformed the little girl into duck. Wizard is a masculine noun, girl is a feminine, and duck is a masculine noun. The mosquitoes bite the baby sleep on the bed. So mosquito is a common noun, baby is also common noun, and bed is a neuter. The girl kept the logs in the fireplace. So girl is a feminine noun, logs is a neuter, and fireplace is a neuter. The old lady requested her daughter-in-law to fetch a bucket of water from the well. So lady is a feminine noun, daughter-in-law is a feminine noun, bucket is a neuter, and well is also neuter. Okay, so this question is complete like this. I will any questions keep in your question paper, so learn this all, because I will asking any question from this. Next is fill in the blank by changing the gender of the noun in the brackets. So students, this question is you will find on the same page number 34. Fill in the blanks by changing the gender of the noun in the bracket. It means here you see the many words, many nouns, and we change the gender and write in this blank. So let's start. Rasi's blank nephew, in a bracket, nephew gifted her a beautiful armlet. So turn the gender of nephew, so that is the nicey. Okay, nephew become nicey. Next, the film was based on the life of a blank widow. So widow, so change the gender, widower. Next, Rishi was determined to buy the fawn colored blank stallion. Stallion is a one gender, and change the gender of it become mare. The blank boar hide her babies under the bridge. Boar become show. The blank lady you see there is a former blank stewardess. So here is a lady become gentleman, and stewardess become a steward. Stewardess become steward. Next, the blank chased the blank man across the field. So cow become bull, because here we changing a gender. So cow become bull and man become woman. And look it, in the blank we write that word which we were changed. Next, a blank policeman drag her out of the crowd. So policeman become police woman. The little blank girl wrote a poem that was appreciated by the king and the prince. So here first of all we change the gender of girl, that become boy. So we write the boy in this blank. Next is king. King become queen. So we write queen here. And prince, when we change the gender of prince, it become princess. So boy, queen and princess are our answer. Next, the ceremony was inaugurated by the mayor. So mayor become mayoress. So we write a mayoress in this blank. Next, when the blank doe and the fawn hear the tigress approach them, they run away. So do become buck and tigress become tiger. Okay, so like this question was completed. Okay, so students, here our section B was completed. In the next video we will learn about section C. So bye bye, take care, thank you.